Hi, hello, and welcome to everyone. Today we are going to hear the short story of Anton Chekhov, Sleepy. The story is about a 13-year-old girl, Varka. She is working under a cruel master and a mistress. They are sleeping inside a room, and Varka, she is rocking a cradle. The baby is screaming. She is humming, "Hush by my baby wee, while I sing a song for thee." A green lamp is burning before a picture. On the string, baby clothes and big trousers were hanging. Throws long shadows on the stove, cradle, and on Varka. When the wind blows, the green lamp flickers, the green patches on the shadows, they come to life, and it seems as if they come to life. Baby is screaming. She does not know when it will stop. The baby is exhausted, but it is not stopping the screaming. Her eyelids are heavy. She wants to sleep. She is dying to sleep. Her eyelids are sticking together and her brain slumbers, and now she is having visions that are not clear. Two clouds are chasing each other and they scream like baby. When the wind blows, they disappear. And now they disappear, and she sees a broad high road covered with the liquid mud. People are living with the big wallets on their back. They suddenly fell into the liquid mud. Varka asks why. They answer to sleep, and they started to sleep. Crows and magpie, they screams like a baby, and they are trying to wake them. The baby is crying, and she is humming Hushaby, my baby, without her knowledge. It seems the baby's cry that resembles like the crows and magpies scream for her in the dream. Now, again, she fell into the sleep and she is having the vision of a head. She is seeing her dad on the floor, Efim Stepanov. He is rolling on the floor in pain. Her mother, she has gone to her master's home to inform and to get a doctor. After half an hour, the doctor visited them and advised them to take him to the hospital. And her mother accompanied him. And in the morning, again, Varka, she also goes to the hospital. Her mother informed him that her father has passed away. She wants to come to the road and to cry aloud. She starts to shout, but she has got a hit on her head, and it is no one but her master who comes there and inform, why are you allowing the baby to cry? Are you sleeping, you slut? He hits her on the head, and he goes inside to sleep. Now likewise, again one more time, her mistress, she came. The visions, they are repeating for her. Her mistress came, took the child from the cradle. She fed the baby, and after that, she gave the baby to her and asked her to rock it in the cradle. She went inside and started to sleep. Now it is dawn. Slowly morning blooms, and she hears her master's voice wake up from rocking the cradle. Vaka, hit the stove. She is little bit happy because she could not suffer from not sleeping, and she is heating the stove. Next order, Varka, set the sambar. Sambar is a teapot, and now she is setting it. Next order for her, Varka, clean the master's goloshes. Goloshes is a rubber shoe, and while she was cleaning that rubber shoe, she dreams as if the rubber shoe it grew big, and then she is inside that rubber shoe. Next order, and she is sleeping in the rubber shoe. Next order for her is Varta, clean sew, and then Varta, you clean the steps. Likewise, she receives many orders. She is very tired. And in the evening, visitors, they visit to meet the master. Again, she has to suffer a lot. She has to stand order. She has to stand there for 1 hour. She has to give them tea 5 times. She has to run to the shop to buy the beer, and likewise many struggles she got. Again, the night it comes. Her mistress' order for her is Vartha, rock the baby. Again, the cruel night it starts. The baby is screaming. She doesn't know when it will stop. And from the morning till night, she was doing many household chores. She wants to sleep, but she could not. She is humming the song Hush by my baby we while I sing a song for the continuously, but the baby is not sleeping. Again the green lamp is burning there and the wind the blows the yesterday's visions it appears today too. She could not bear that this happens for many hours together, and it is going to create
and
visions for
it
her.
is
The baby is screaming like anything. She is exhausted. Her hands and legs are heavy. Each and every cell of her body wants to sleep. Now, she wants to know which force is preventing her to live. Living her is sleep now. She is searching the room here and there to find out the enemy. At last, she has found the foe, and it is no one but the baby. She starts to laugh. Yes, she has found her enemy. She knows how to get rid of her enemy. She bends down and then she strangled the baby. Yes, she killed the baby, and the next moment she falls on the floor and she starts to sleep with the smile in her lips. Yes, killed the baby, strangled the baby. Out of the deprivation of sleep, she went to the extreme of madness, it seems. Hereafter, friends, we should not disturb the person who is sleeping. Okay, don't wake them up or allow everyone who wants to sleep. Thank you. The story has an unexpected end. Hope you enjoyed.